Case is getting even darker. Preliminary hearing has been continued until May 1st. Matters of procedural importance were discussed, mostly about transferring discovery from DA office to the defense. Items of interest that came up include that David's devices contain a significant amount of blank, which requires special handling. Also, there's a large amount of data from a wiretap. Search warrants will be unsealed. New search warrants from devices at the time of his arrest have not had returns yet. David did not look confident in court today, in my opinion. He was in an orange jumpsuit and just stared forward. So creepy. So a few things here. David having that on his phone is just unbelievable. I'm just disgusted. I don't even know what to say. I wonder what the defense is going to comment on this, if they even will, but the wiretap is what really raised my eyebrows. I'm guessing this wiretap is in between the time frame of when he was arrested and when everything got released to the public, like September to now, the past 7 months. And apparently I saw a video of Trapmore Ross saying that they need a third-party taint team to listen to these wiretaps so they don't hear attorney-client privilege, but they want to hear incriminating stuff that is said on these wiretaps. So what it sounds like is they've been listening to David talk to everyone on one of his phones, and they want to make sure they don't hear any attorney-client privilege, because that's obviously bad and against the law. But they want to hear the other things. So that's what this taint team is for. This is a very popular thing I heard in another case. Oh, the Melly case. That's what it was. I was like, what case had a taint team? So when Melly's lawyers were being investigated, they had a taint team look over a bunch of shit, so they didn't see attorney-client privilege, the state attorneys. And him staring forward just shows that he is completely disconnected from reality, and I feel like he's just a piece of shit at this point. Like, honestly, if you have CP, you're disgusting. And I can't even say what I want to say on YouTube for people that have CP on their devices and shit. A couple other items of interest from the David hearing this morning. The assistant district attorney confirmed there were 3 separate investigation grand juries convened in November, December, and February. She also stated that the defense would need to provide a 10 terabyte drive for David's iCloud account alone. Wow, that's a lot. I think my iCloud is like 3 terabytes, bro. What does he have on there that's 10 terabytes? Additional search warrants were served on phones, tablets, and other devices at the time of David's arrest. Ooh, so they could find even more shit because he just got arrested like what was that, like a week ago now? This is so dark and disturbing, man. I've made updates to the timeline I'm building for the period just before prosecutors alleged that David killed Celeste on 4/23/2025. Today is 4/23/2026. That just gave me the chills, though after they alleged her body was dismembered. In court today, prosecutors stood by the April 23rd date, stating that they were happy to be in court on the 1-year anniversary of the date Celeste was killed. David showed no visible reaction to that statement. Now, I'm not going to show the autopsy. I know that's also been everywhere because I honestly feel like it's kind of inappropriate. But basically, I'm going to describe what I'm looking at. Drawing of the body that a coroner notes down every single thing they see, essentially, like in terms of wounds, bruises, lacerations, anything cut off, anything, you know what I'm saying? Her autopsy said she has a defect to her center to right abdomen area and then closer up to her thing. 2 wounds. Looks like from a stab wound. And then